All right. Going by the explanation of absolute values that we just look at, let's look at this example. Find the solution set of the inequality. Absolute value of x is less than 2. And we have to also give the graphical representation. Now, it is very easy. What did I say you do first? That remember that to find the absolute value of x, I just said that x, absolute value will give us x if x is greater than or equal to 0. And we also give us minus x if x is lesser than or equal to 0. That is it. What it means here is that it means that this absolute value of x will be what? Lesser than 2 if x is greater than or equal to 0. That is this first one now. X, absolute value of x equals to this x and it's lesser than 2. And again, this same absolute value of x will be equal to minus x. Minus x is what? Less than 2 if x we what is lesser than or equal to 0. So here now, we are not going to find the value of x here now. Remember that when you are dividing by minus sign, the inequality sign will change. So that means divide by minus now, this will not be s will not be greater than minus 2. That is to say your s is lesser than 2 and greater than minus 2. That will be your answer in this case. And so the first question, so we will find the solution set of the inequality. So the set that will not be s will be at the middle. Since it is less than 2, you put your lesser than sign. From this side, it's lesser than. You put your 2 here. S is greater than. Okay? S is greater than minus 2. This from here now, this is greater than sign. So it will be your minus 2. All right. So now x is less than 2. So you put your lesser than sign now. From here now, it's lesser than 2. So this is the range of your answer. So when you see this kind of question, that is how you approach it. All right. So now it means I will have to draw the graphical representation. That one is just direct. You already know that your GSS. Okay. If I have here as my minus 2, here is 0, and yes as my 2, positive, negative. All right. We are told that x is greater than minus 2. No, this number is greater than minus 2. Then they put equal to here or equal to, meaning that I can take this thing without shading. Then it's greater than minus 2, so it's going this way. And here we are told that it's lesser than 2, at least your 2. So I will draw, they didn't put or equal to, so I'll just put 0 without shading. Lesser than 2, this side is lesser than 2, so 2 of them will meet at a point here like this. So this is the graphical representation. This is the graphical representation of s greater than minus 2 and lesser than 2. So that is just it. So thank you for watching.